Uh-huh. The book. Yeah, you did it. That's a nice coloring. Good job. Uh-huh. He's lining all the crayons up perfectly after he uses them. Nice work. Good coloring. Good job. You put that book away. Nice. Well done using that. Wow.
Hello? Is a wow.
That's hard. Here. Oh, you got it.